What's up, everybody? Thank you for stopping by my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. If this is your second, third, fourth, fifth time, thank you for coming back. Today we're going to be talking about Sticker Mule and Zazzle. I got my thank you cards from Zazzle and my stickers from Sticker Mule that I'm going to put inside of my t-shirt packages. So I wanted to do a review for you just so you could see if that's something that you want to do. We'll get right into it right after this intro. Alright guys, let's jump into it. First we're going to talk about the stickers, okay? So I got the stickers from Sticker Mule. The process was really simple as far as ordering them, like uploading your design and basically sending it off to be printed. First they give you a sample of what it's going to look like, and then you approve it. Once you approve it, they go ahead and start your order. They basically processed it pretty quick. It may have been a day, probably not even. This was back in February when I got them. I got about 50. They come in like a little package, and it's just 50 little stickers just like this. I put one on my phone as soon as I got them to see if they would hold up, because everybody uses their phone all the time. I figured that was the best place for me to put it, because it'll definitely get wear and tear testing out of it. And as you can see, since February, the sticker looks the same as when I bought it. So even as far as like dirt and everything, like it's still pretty white here. It's a little dingy, but compared to that, but for the most part, it's held up. It was well worth the money. The price comes out to about $118 per sticker. I think I got 50. So when you include the shipping, the cost of the sticker, taxes and all of that stuff, that's what it comes out to, $1.18 per sticker. Of course, if I would have got more, you would see the price decrease, but I just wanted to get like a mini sample just to see. So I got about 50. So I would recommend using Sticker Mule if you're going to be including stickers in your t-shirt package, because obviously the wear on them is pretty good, okay? Alright, moving on. I got these thank you cards from Zazzle, okay? This is just the front. I got a little message on the back, and I put my signature on there just so it gives it a little custom touch. You can put words on there, and I actually got a picture with words and everything like that. Now the price per thank you card was 32 cents. I got 200 of them, so that's a pretty good deal on that. This included shipping and taxes with 32 cents. It's just a little something that you can put in the package for, your customers to know who you are and everything, just to say thank you. After looking at these, I was like, I didn't put any of my social media on here. So when you do yours, make sure you put your social media on there. I'll probably just send these out because I ordered them. And then the next time, I'll make sure that I put my social media on there. But for you, this is why I'm here. Don't make the same mistakes that I've made. Put your social media information on here so that you can get follows and everything like that when you send this out. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. I wanted to keep it short and sweet for you. If you made it this far, go ahead and hit that like button. If you like the content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And here at About Time, we like moving with time, in time, and we hope you do the same. Have a wonderful day.